Heat oil in a wok or pan. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and let them start popping. Add chana dal and stir briefly. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Give everything a quick stir. Add urad dal and stir well. Add green chili and red chili. Stir again. Add curry leaves and give it a quick stir. Add bottle gourd and stir fry for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder. Optionally, you can add sambar powder for extra flavor. Stir everything well and let it cook for a minute. Add salt and stir for a few more seconds. Spray a few drops of water and keep stirring. Close the lid and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Open the lid and stir for a while. Add grated coconut and stir for about a minute. Finally, add chopped cilantro. Stir for a minute and switch off the heat.